Hello, welcome back to my channel. Right here I have a hanging basket. These flowers are doing really poorly. All this growth here wasn't here a couple days ago. And I think that's because I'm doing a little electroculture on this hanging basket. I was doing it in my tomato plant, but the tomato plant was in a pot and it never did get grounded, because if I put the pot on the ground, my fox terrier would eat the dirt. And you can see here it's the dirt with vermiculite and everything in it, and he just liked to dig into my tomato plant, so I take it up. Here he can't get it. So what I have here is this stick right here. It has the wire in the ground, goes up the basket, all copper, and then hooks to the tree. So let's see what I have here. Oops, not there. Got to touch the wire. The other probe is in the ground. So I touch it to the wire. I grab it. There we go. 190 millivolts going or coming out of the tree into the hanging basket. And here I have my baby spinach and soil. And I'm doing this with electroculture with the copper wire and the antenna. And there's my meter. Get it close here. And we can see that I am at 285 millivolts. Current. Or here I have some basil and soil, and I'm 0, 0. Here's my dog. And I can put the probe on the concrete and it is getting grounded. So even if it's on concrete, the concrete goes to ground, you're still getting a voltage. So there we go. We have disconnected, connected, and the other probe is in the soil. So there's two different ways to get electroculture into your plants. And that's my Harley. He's watching me do my electroculture test. There's my other basil. This is a pepper plant. And that's Harley. Say hi, Harley. No, he's not talking today. All right, thanks for watching.